What's up, homies? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making carrot cake. Now I'm making carrot cake for my son, little Tyler, because he's getting his braces put in tomorrow and he's not at all happy about it. I am pretty happy about it, but he's not, because there are so many restrictions on the things that he can eat, mainly sweets. He cannot eat cake, he cannot eat pies, he can't eat all the good stuff that he likes. So I figured to cheer him up, what I will do is make him a cake. Today, that cake is going to be carrot cake. So let's get baking. Just a little bit of a heads up, my recipes are usually in the beginning of my videos right here. I will soon start putting them in the description box. So first we're gonna need 3 carrots. You're gonna chop them up, put them into your food processor, and you're gonna give them a few pulses. You can also shred your carrots, that's okay, but it should be nice and fine like that. I'm gonna grab a large bowl and I'm going to add 1.5 cups of flour. One teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of salt. And now you're going to give it a stir. You're going to grab a second bowl, you're going to add 2 eggs, 3/4 cups of canola oil. You can use even half a cup of oil if you need a more fluffy cake. Half cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and now you want to mix this like you're beating a cake. Take that out. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients, our egg mixture, to the flour mixture. Give it a mix. So simple. You will now add your shredded, grated, or chopped carrots, which is 1.5 cups. I first added 1 cup and then I added the half a cup, and you're gonna mix that in. Very simple. I had lined a 8x8 pan. This pan always confuses me because it looked bigger than 8x8, but yeah, this is an 8x8. You add it in there, layer it nice, and I'm using a square pan because I want to make this like lunchbox cake, so I will be cutting it into squares. Put it into your oven for 28 to 35 minutes or so. Make sure you use a toothpick to check, and then you take it out and it's nice like that. You let it fully cool before cutting it, and yes, that's it. Looking so nice. Now I'm not gonna frost this cake because we're trying not to do too many sweets, as I was saying earlier. But when I gave it to my son, he ate it and then he's like, but yeah, what's up with the frosting? So I decided to just frost 1 little piece for him, and I always have these store-bought frosting hanging around the house because you could never tell. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna lather that on top. And guys, stay to the end of the video because I just might be putting in his reaction and my older son reaction too. So yes, I swirl that, and I'm gonna add a little bit of sprinkles because cake needs sprinkles. And yes, I think he was happy. But this was so simple and so delicious, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. And I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned. Right. Come closer. Tell me your opinion. How does it taste? Good. You like it? Mm-hmm. For me. I need your honest opinion.
I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
You do?
Very yummy.
What happened to the plate? You don't want the plate?
Very yummy.
It is good.
So my kids don't know how to react. So I am going to react because these kids are letting me down. They take after their father. They have very little what you call je ne sais quoi. No, that's not. If you even have to be into it, you have to say, oh, this is giving me. I'm going to show you how it's done. Oh my God. This is the ish, okay? This is what you need to be trying. This is what you need before you go back to school. It is so... It's not too sweet. It's just perfect.